Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have some mind-blowing news that will take your excitement to the next level. China has done it again, making headlines with their astonishing breakthrough in 6G technology. That's right, we're talking about the next generation of connectivity that will revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of China's groundbreaking achievement in 6G. China has made a significant achievement in the development of 6G network technology. Chinese researchers at government-backed Purple Mountain Laboratories have successfully achieved a world record wireless transmission speed of 206.25 gigabits per second in the terahertz frequency band, surpassing current levels of communication. This breakthrough has enormous potential for applications in ultra-high-speed wireless access, replacing fiber optic networks and reducing costs and power consumption in data centers. China is also leading in global 6G patent filings, with Huawei and other Chinese companies holding many of these patents. This development is particularly special as 6G networks are expected to power high-definition virtual reality and holographic communication, revolutionizing various industries. Watching. Please like and subscribe.